Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving a Wetnap. You ever have those days where you need to clean your hands and it's just so cold out you don't want to dig out a cold Wetnap? So let's see if putting it in the microwave helps the situation out. Here is, as always, Jennie the GE dual wave microwave. Made in 1978, but she will always have a place in my heart. Okay, let's open her up. This one is a 30-second experiment. So, in all seriousness, is it a good idea to microwave a Wetnap? No. You see that sparking going on in the microwave? It makes for a great season finale show, but not good for the microwave. On that note, this is going to be it for Season 1. I'll see you in Season 2 with the new microwave, new setup, new everything, except I'm still going to be around and it'll still be me microwaving random crap. And on that note, we can officially consider Jennie to be semi-retired. She'll be coming back in possibly later seasons, make a cameo or two, but overall, I think Jennie's earned her AARP card. See ya for Season 2.